Well, from near death to new hope.
2 News problem solver Michelle Lowry introduces us to a photographer making a difference in saving lives one photo at a time. There you go.
In just a few years, Sherry Stinson has taken more than 30,000 pictures of animals who have one thing in common. They need a home.
God gave me a talent to take pictures, and dogs and cats are near and dear to my heart, so I want to help get them out of the shelters.
This girl, dubbed Monster, in an Oklahoma City shelter, was scheduled to be put down 3 times. Rescuers got her 3 last-minute reprieves. Then Legacy of Hope Dog Rescue in Tulsa took her in, gave her a sweeter name that matches her temperament. Cookie Monster got her best shot from Sherry, and this photo got her a home.
When you have a dog that's in a cute outfit, in a cute pose, showing its personality, it makes it 100 times more adoptable.
Christina Guerra founded Legacy of Hope Dog Rescue.
The hardest part for us is we'll get anywhere from 10 or more calls a day asking us to take dogs from people or from shelters.
Look at Mom, there you go.
Sherry travels on her own dime to shelters all around the region, donating her time and photos and saving lives in the process.
Huge. It's huge.
Before Sherry stepped up, Christina only placed a pup once in a blue moon. Just as she launched Legacy, everything changed.
We wouldn't be half as successful as we are if it weren't for her.
One of those success stories, Dusty and her gray-eyed Gracie.
Sherry, I think, gets that story out there through her pictures that people might not see otherwise.
Through her photos that somehow sum up an animal's personality in one shot.
In just its first year, Legacy adopted out 180 dogs. Right now, there are 25 of these fur babies waiting to find their forever home. The volunteers give a large amount of credit to Sherry and her special brand of lights, camera, making a difference.
I'll know that it's been a job well done when I'm no longer needed.
For now, she is needed.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
She is loved. She is definitely making a difference.
We got you, pretty girl.
Michelle Lowry, 2 News works for you.